Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp account banned. Learn how to resolve a banned WhatsApp account. If you attempt to open WhatsApp and receive a message such as, "This account can't use WhatsApp," it means that your account has been banned. The possibility of getting your account fixed depends on the reason for the ban. If your account was banned due to a violation of the terms of service, it may be challenging to reinstate it. If they already look at it or given you a permanent ban, they're not ever going to get you that account back. You could create a different account using a different phone number and all of that. Keep in mind that you can request a review by visiting the WhatsApp account ban webpage after searching for WhatsApp banned on your web browser. This is the first result that appears, and it provides information on how to request a review of your ban. So if you scroll down and you say, if you think your account was banned by mistake, please email us or tap the request review. So if you tap email and it says WhatsApp Messenger support, so you can tap on that and hit contact us. To request a review, you need to enter your phone number, email address, and device type, such as Android or iPhone, on the WhatsApp account ban webpage. Additionally, you need to provide a detailed explanation of what happened and why your account should not have been banned in the message box provided. They'll get back to you. They'll review this usually within a week or so, and they hopefully will go back and unban your account or allow you to get it back so you can use your WhatsApp.
And there you have it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.